Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a quick tutorial of how to fix can't add phone number on your Steam. So if you're struggling with a can't add phone number error on Steam, which is addressed here, you just want to do the updated method. First, you want to make sure your Steam app or client is fully updated. So mine here, where's my so here I always update this when I open my PC. After that is that clear your client, browser, or Steam cache and try adding your number in a private or incognito window. Ensure the number you're using is valid and not linked to another Steam account, and that your country code is also correct. If it still fails, temporarily disable any account and that your or any VPN or firewall that could block Steam's connection. Some users also find the success by removing any previously linked numbers, then restarting Steam and re-adding your number. Finally, if none of these work, contact Steam support directly with a clear description of the problem. So following this step should get your phone number linked without error.